Hello. Today we're going to explore why must two fractions have a common denominator in order to add them together. We're going to start by just adding something a little simpler. If we have 3 squares and 4 trapezoids, we cannot add them together and say we have 7 squares, nor can we say we have 7 trapezoids, because we don't. We can say that we have 7 quadrilaterals because that is what the two shapes have in common. Each shape has 4 sides to it. So we can say that 3 quadrilaterals plus 4 quadrilaterals will give us 7 quadrilaterals. We have to find the common whole in order to add both shapes. If we go back to our fractions, we know that fractions have 2 parts: a numerator, the parts, and the denominator, the whole. In order to add them together, we need to find the common whole so that we can see how many parts we have out of the whole thing. So let's start with our fractions, adding 3/4 plus 1/6. We're going to start by representing with magnetiles 3/4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 out of 4 whole. We're going to do the same thing to represent 1/6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 out of 4 whole at the top, 1 out of 6 whole of the bottom. Still not the same. We need to get the same amount of tiles on top as we do on the bottom. So we're going to add another row to our 3/4 tile. Now that we've added another row, we can see that we have 8 as a whole and we have 6 parts out of it, which is equivalent to our first fraction, 3/4. Well, now we have 8 whole for our top fraction, but we still only have 6 whole at the bottom. So we're going to add another row and get 2 12ths. So now that we have 12 as a whole of the bottom, we need to add more tiles to the top. Now we have the same whole for the top fraction as we do the bottom fraction. We have 12 tiles up top and 12 tiles on bottom to represent our 3/4 plus our 1/6. Now all we need to do, since we have found the common whole, is to add up the parts together. So we're going to start by writing that we know our fraction is going to be out of 12 because that's our common whole. Let's see how many parts we have out of 12 for our top fraction, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's do the same thing for our 1/6, or 1, 2 out of 12. 2 12ths. If we add them all together, the parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we see that 3/4 plus 1/6 equals 11 12ths. Once we've added both fractions together that have the common whole, we can now see that 9 12ths plus 2 12ths equals 11 12ths. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helps. Have a good day.